Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to check your spam folder in Gmail. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to check your spam folder in Gmail. When you are in your Gmail account, here in the left sidebar you see inbox, started, snooze, sent, and then you see here more. Just click on it, and then you will see here spam. Just click on it, and you can see here all those emails is in the spam folder, and you will find it here. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to check your spam folder in Gmail. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.